Hey guys, Ashker from Hashtag. After Hyundai leaks and render, at last Sony is going to announce Sony Xperia 1, the brand known for state-of-the-art design smartphone with next-generation camera technology. Smartphone price also leaked, which is around 78,000 Indian rupee, and making it the most expensive Sony Xperia smartphone ever.
Oh my god!
I think Sony is coming back to the smartphone industry, but they're going to come competed with the newly launched Samsung S Galaxy S10 and Apple iPhone XR and also other premium smartphones like OnePlus. The Sony Xperia 1 will feature a big high-tech resolution 6.5-inch 4K OLED display with a taller 21:9 aspect ratio, which is 30% bigger compared to the previous generation's flagship smartphone from Sony. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC will power the smartphone with a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
I don't know why they include 6GB of RAM according to this price range. Samsung and the OnePlus giving much more than this. This is my only opinion, and what about you? Comment me down. The Sony Xperia 1 is the first Sony smartphone with a triple rear camera setup with a 12MP standard sensor, a 12MP telephoto lens and a 12MP super wide angle lens. This device will be fueled by the 3300 mAh Li-ion battery with a support for fast charging via USB-C port, and the smartphone offers Android 9 Pie out of the box with a custom Sony skin on the top. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure subscribe for latest awesome tech videos. Also watch my previous video. Thanks for watching. I am Ashker from Hashblog.